if you want to convert notes to PDF on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your notes. Now choose any note which you want to convert, for example this one, and tap on this share icon. Now we have to tap on print. Great. So in our print, we have to tap on share once again. As you see, this document already formed into a PDF. Now you can just copy or press save to files or share it immediately with your so let me show it to you once again. So you can share it to your mail, to any kind of emails, to any kind of messengers, like it doesn't matter. But for now, let's press save to files. We can choose where we want to save it. All right, I'll just save it on my phone. Let's press save. And now if we're gonna open up our storage, there it is, we'll find our PDF file. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.